State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Izetta Bright is presiding. While court is in session, there's no eating, drinking, smoking. Please adhere to all proper courtroom decorum. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Good afternoon.
These matters are before the court today for arraignment. I'm calling first Mr. Let's see, let me look at my sheet again. This is, and I'm going to spell the name, Ibrahim, last name Alguheim. This is case number 20-709-2131. The charge is operating a motor vehicle with no insurance, set for an arraignment today. Counsel?
Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Regina Triplet, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Alguheim. Mr. Alguheim, would you please state your name for the record?
Abraham Alguheim.
Your Honor, we stand mute, wait for a reading.
Court will enter a plea of not guilty for arraignment.
Your Honor, I have advised Mr. Alguheim his rights, right to trial. However, knowing his right to trial, he's choosing to waive it at this time and avail himself of the people's offer.
Mr. Alguheim, would you raise your right hand and be sworn in? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth?
I swear the testimony is the truth.
Sir, you have had an opportunity to speak with Attorney Triplet regarding your case before the court today? Sir, you have to answer.
Yes.
And you are consenting.
Yes.
You are,
yes, Honor.
and you are consenting to having your matter taken care of before the court on this Zoom. Is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone promised you anything or threatened you to get you to enter a plea?
Nope. No.
You are entering your plea freely and voluntarily?
Yep.
Okay, I have to hear you, sir. You have to say yes or no, please, okay?
Yes.
So you are
Yes.
entering this plea freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
And you do understand that by entering a plea of guilty, you are giving up your right to have a trial in this matter.
Yes.
On ticket number 709-213, Mr. Alguheim, on November 6, 2020, were you operating a motor vehicle on Jefferson Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Counsel, you may voir dire as to the, and you were stopped by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
Counsel, you may voir dire as to the facts.
Mr. Alguheim, did you, you indicated you were stopped by the City of Detroit police officer, correct?
Yes.
And at that time, were you able to present or show proof of insurance to that officer?
I couldn't. No.
You didn't have insurance on your vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
Satisfy, Your Honor.
Court will accept the plea
Yes.
of guilty.
I did not have.
Court will accept the plea of guilty and also adopt the recommendation of the Assistant Corporation Counsel and amend the charge to operate a motor vehicle with improper plates, a 0-point violation. Counsel, anything further you wish to state before the court imposes
Your
the
Honor,
sentence?
yes, he's asking just for time to pay the fines.
Mr. Algeheim, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but the court, due to the pandemic, will waive your fines and costs. Normally, you would pay in the area of $175, but I am waiving fines and costs in this matter. Is there anything else you wish to state?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Oh, you can put your
Thank you
hand
very
down,
much.
sir. You can
I
put your
appreciate
hand
it.
down. I apologize. Put your hand down. Okay. Anything else, sir?
Thank you, appreciate it.
Okay, you're welcome. So you are free to disconnect at this time.
Thank you, Reggie Triple, thank you, appreciate it.
Okay, take care. Thank you,
Okay.
Mr. Algeheim.
Take care now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. This is case number, we're at Miss Carmela Alexander. And you can disconnect, Mr. Algeheim, if you wish. Miss Alexander, you can unmute yourself.
Okay.
Case number e-ticket P 1119793. Charges, count 1, interfering with a city employee in the performance of their duty. Count 2, operating a motor vehicle while driver's license expired. Count 3, operating a motor vehicle with no insurance. Each count are misdemeanor charges before the court for an arraignment today. Counsel.
Your Honor, Regina Triple P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Alexander, Miss Alexander. Miss Alexander, please state your name for the record.
Carmela Alexander.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we stand mute and wait for a reading.
Court will enter a plea of not guilty for arraignment.
Your Honor, at this time, we'd ask that this matter be scheduled for a pretrial.
All right. Now, you did get the recommendation from the Assistant Corporation Counsel?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay, I just
And we
wanted to
did
make,
talk about it. Yes,
just wanted to make sure.
I did.
All right, so in this matter, the court will continue the plea of not guilty and set a pretrial date. Ms. Edwards?
April 12th, Your Honor.
Pretrial date of April 12th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Did you post the bond, Miss Alexander?
No.
Okay. The court will release you on a personal bond. That means you're not posting any money to leave. But if you fail to appear for any future court appearances, a warrant would be issued for your arrest. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And your next court date again is April 12th at 8:30 a.m. So you are free to leave at this time, Miss Alexander.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Ms. Edwards, are there any other cases or any other defendants appearing today?
That's what we are, Your Honor.
All right. So
But I do have a question if I can ask. I had a defendant call in about their $45 reinstatement fee.
wait just a minute then.
Okay.
We are, I'm going to end the